Hello everyone, our today's topic is polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. Simple closed curve. Why curve? Because I did not lift pencil and it is closed and made by only line segment. It's also I am drawing a curve here, not lifting the pencil, and this curve totally made up of line segment. Again curve, curve, closed curve, simple curve made up of line segment. So simple closed curve made up of line segment. Three things. It should be simple, it should be closed curve and only made up of line segment. Triangle is a polygon. Quadrilateral is a polygon. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sided figure is a polygon. Because all are satisfying the definition of polygon, a simple closed curve made up of line segment, hence they are polygon. Now can you tell me, is this a polygon? No, this is not polygon. Why? This is made up of line segment. Yes, you can say this is made up of line segment. But it is not closed and it is not simple, because its starting point is this one and end point is this one, and not simple because curve intersect itself. Only one condition is there, it is made up of line segment, so it is not polygon. Not polygon. This figure is made up of line segment and curve. Made up of line segment and it is curve. So two conditions, simple and made up of line segment, but not closed. Third condition not satisfying. So it is not polygon. And again, if this is made up of line segment and this is a closed curve, but it's not simple. Two conditions satisfy कर रही है, made up of line segment and it is a closed curve, but it is not a simple curve. So it is again not a polygon. I think your definition is clear. A simple closed curve made up of line segment is called polygon. Now we will classify the different type of polygon. Now, classifications of polygons on the basis of their number of sides or number of verses. For example, if sides 3, 1, 2, 3, then it is a triangle. We will call this triangle. Sides 4, then its name is quadrilateral. 5-sided figure, pentagon. 6-sided hexagon. 7-sided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heptagon, and 8-sided closed figure made up of by line segment is octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided figure closed curve made by line segment is octagon, and here it is a 9-sided closed figure, then it is called nonagon. Again 10 sided, or you can say 10 verses, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. So it is called decagon. And if number of sides 3, triangle, 4, quadrilateral, 5, pentagon, 6, hexagon, 7, heptagon, 8, octagon, 9, nonagon, 10, decagon. What if there are more sided? So if there are 21 sided, then we will call it 21 gon. If 100 sided, then 100 gon. And similar way, if number of sides n, then its name will be n-gon. Clear? So all these are polygon and they are classified, they are named according to number of sides or number of verses they have. If you have n sides, then you can call that n-gon. Clear? So next video we will learn regular and irregular polygon and diagonals of polygons.